some reasons why we're saying why haven't they thought that? It's the same fucking
Same thing.
coin, you know what I mean?
It's the same thing. It's two sides of the same coin. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yin and yang, duality. That's why light is a fucking particle and a fucking wave. Everything acts as a fucking balance, dude. It's a dual fucking nature.
There has to be balance.
There has to be balance. There has to be perfect balance in order for conscious life to evolve.
It has to be.
Gravity and
'Cause it
light.
fucking goes
Gravity and
off.
light are both constants against each other that come to a whatever
Point.
that moment is.
A point.
We can call that a moment in the infinite also. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's something that we don't know what that moment is, but that's the birth of conscious life also. It's the balance in fucking light and gravity.
Right.
Which
And the
is
space between it.
which what I think is it's all converging in the same fucking it's all converging in that same fucking thing.
Same directions. And,
Light and gravity too, what we're seeing is fucking
the shape of the universe is like it's like a donut,
right.
and it acts as the black hole and the white hole.
Right.
They're spewing matter
Right.
in and out. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's just a fucking huge fucking
Right.
just cycle, just like this, dude. You know what I mean? Of just energy, fucking constantly flowing. That's why the electromagnetic waves are like around everything are like that.
But you
know what I
still
mean?
have to have
Look at the fucking wind, dude. I'm right.
but you
the
still
wind picked up earlier when you were
but
talking
you still
about
have to have
meeting together.
a moment in the infinite
Right.
that we can keep describing it as that where
To break it down.
yeah where that's constant, you know what I mean?
Right.
That is constant more than and that's where the constants in
that's-
light and gravity,
well,
all
that's
that shit
fucking-
come
Right.
they're all
Conscious life.
yeah.
It all comes back to conscious life. Everything is constant for conscious life to evolve and to exist and to fucking do exactly what the fuck we just did, dude. A big bang.
To break Cole's
Conscious
fire pit.
life.
Alright.
To evolve.
To break Cole's
To
fire
figure out what the fuck it is to help each other.
and break Cole's fire pit.
Dude, we built this fire pit. Fuck Cole. This is our fire pit, dude.
Constants.
Build it
You know,
with
the same constants that we're trying to contemplate are the same constants that fucking
They govern everything.
but they're the same constants that fucking yeah.
They're laws. Just
Yeah,
like how
they're-
in the 7 hermetic principles, dude. 7 hermetic laws is everything is a law until you figure. I mean, everything has a law. You just don't know it yet.
Alright.
Basically, we just figured out the law for conscious life. We figured out how the recipe for conscious life to
The
evolve.
recipe for conscious life to evolve is basically
The
the
collision.
constants of everything.
Yeah.
Of constants of fucking the collision of
The collision of everything.
but it starts with hydrogen and helium.
Yeah.
On a scientific standpoint. That's scientific, that's fucking
That's without
that's
the mind.
that
you know
well
what I
that's
mean?
scientific, that's fucking balancing out fucking light and gravity. Fucking we're even breaking it down to the fucking periodic table.
Oh, yeah.
That's separate than the forces of light and it's separate than the forces of gravity.
Right.
But it describes gravity
Yeah.
and what it's doing with light.
They'll be able to fucking figure
Yeah.
it out.
Light and gravity are constant because they're balancing each other out.
Yeah.
And everything else that's a constant that we see is because it's being balanced out by something.
Yeah. There's always an equal. I mean, it's a law. It's a law that fucking there's always an equal or opposite reaction. Equal or opposite. Equal or opposite. You know what I mean? There has to be an equal or opposite reaction. It's a fucking law of the universe.
Yeah. But it's way simpler
Yeah.
than fucking
There has to be a balancing act.
right. You don't have to break it down to like a 3-dimensional fucking space. It's just fucking with everything.
That's what conscious life is, dude. Fucking, we exist in everything. We are the fucking pinnacle of the universe. That's fucking great. Conscious life. So sit here and fucking figure out what it is.
What it is.
This is the fucking dawn of a new civilization, dude. Everything in this fucking world since the beginning of fucking humans has led to this fucking point. How fucking crazy is that?
I just don't understand how you could ever fucking
Think anything different? I mean, it's all accumulation of shit, though. You know what I mean? It's been a progression of humanity since the dawn of it.
Everybody brought their piece,
Everybody brought their own piece to the puzzle. You know what I mean?
and you guys just helped put it together.
That's what it was about. And it does that.
You were the
And-
glue to the puzzle.
It does that in infinite realities, infinite dimensions, infinite universes, because it is infinite.
But
Because
we found the moment in the infinite.
Exactly. Which is crazy.
We identified the moment in the infinite.
It's an infinite regress of energy. We figured out where our point in the infinite is. How fucking crazy is that? We figured out the infinite. We beat the infinite.
We figured out the moment in the infinite when everything starts, basically.
Do you know what infinite means?
Everlasting.
Exactly. It never ends.
Infinity and
That's
beyond.
why- that's
Duh,
why
they
your
teach you that in
mind-
Toy Story.
That's why your mind don't
You
matter.
can't grasp it.
Don't matter fucking how hard you try. When somebody says infinity, that something keeps going on and on and on forever. It can't grasp it because it's not supposed to. It's
Just keep going.
fucking. There's a reason.
Yeah.
All the way back, all the way to your fucking mind not being able to grasp it.
It's fucking crazy.
That's nuts. That's the reason why your mind fucking can't grasp it.
We figured
Because it is. That's
Because
the
it just
moment
is.
in the infinite. That's the fucking
How-
the moment in the infinite describes why you can't think of the infinite, I guess.
Exactly.
To a T.
Counterbalancing. It's
Right.
fucking,
Yeah.
it's a counterbalance of why you can't figure out that shit. And that's what's crazy is conscious life evolved from that to figure it out.
Right.
Like we are a simulation of that, bro. Just a bunch of fucking energies, wavelengths, just fucking floating around in this universe. Trying to figure itself out. And we broke it down to a fucking exact science to where we figured it out. And how we evolve.
How the universe evolved.
How the universe...
Well, I mean, I
I
guess.
mean, it didn't evolve without conscious life.
right. It's only evolved
I
so
guess-
much to what
Because
we've
of
made it
us.
evolve. Right.
Exactly.
It's awesome. But I've thought that kind of similar premises for a long
Yeah,
time.
so have I, but I mean, being able to prove it, you know what I mean? Is
Right.
a whole different fucking ballgame.
Right.
It's all theoretical.
Right. That the universe is conscious. All these things that they've been talking about, which the universe is technically, I guess, conscious, but it's not. It's we are
Without
conscious.
without
We
everything
are
else, it
conscious
wouldn't be able
And
to
are able to
be
fucking
conscious. Without everything else that
deduce
makes
it.
it up,
Right.
it would not be able.
which is crazy. Like, look at you, dude. Like, just it's the electrons fucking from the fire. You know what I mean? Just you can see yourself. You're just a fucking projection. That's fucking crazy. And we're fucking able to we're able to fucking feel and fucking deduce and fucking able to
Oh,
fucking
yeah.
smell and fucking touch.
Me and Brian were actually just talking
The
about.
touch,
We were talking about our senses
the
earlier.
touch senses are what's fucking so crazy that
It's
we've
phenomenal.
developed. You know what
It's
I mean?
phenomenal, dude.
How does that fucking dude?
Me and Bri were just talking about our senses because remember how you
The
said
touch
that we
senses are
create
what's
reality through
the
our
touch
eyes?
senses are what's the most appealing
Because
to me
it's a reality. It makes reality.
Right, exactly.
It makes
the
reality
most-
what it is.
Makes solid reality,
Right.
regardless if you can see it, if you can hear it, whatever. That object's still there. You know what I mean?
And that's what gets recycled.
Yeah.
In black holes. All that potential energy that doesn't get used,
Well,
it spews it back out. All the matter. Potential energy. Matter.
So okay.
Matter and energy equal each other.
So the night that
reason.
the night at Odom's,
We know it. We figured it out.
Josh
Equals MC
put
squared.
his hand up, dude.
Light's a constant.
And I swear, like in his I swear to God on everything.
Yeah, I mean,
I
you
could
can
see nothing but like blue, like just fucking like energy. Like I could see through him, but it was
If light's a
energy. It was an
constant-
energy.
If light's a constant, and the only thing in the equations that aren't constants are equaling fucking each other out,
to make us.
well, they have to be the same fucking thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's no option.
Right.
If you've got three factors, E equals mc squared,
Right.
you got energy and you got mass, light is a constant. It don't matter if it's fucking squared, I don't give a fuck what you do to it. Fucking light is a constant.
Right. If energy and mass are the same thing,
Well, if energy and mass are the only two fucking things that aren't a constant in your equation, then they have to fucking
balance.
come to, yeah, they are the same thing
Right.
at some point.
And that's us. Conscious life.
Right.
That-
Energy and mass are the
We
same
don't-
fucking thing. That's
We
why.
broke that down a while ago, dude.
Yeah,
Remember
but
when
we-
I said that I was
yeah,
that I
but
see
we
blue
didn't-
in you?
Yeah, but we've never been able to break it down like this.
I mean,
Energy and mass are they equal each other to develop conscious life,
yeah.
is what it is. Because conscious life
Well, matter- yeah, matter-
conscious life creates the matter and they create the
Right.
the reality.
Right, matter is only a form of
Conscious life.
Right, something that has been
An energy.
created by
And energy.
Conscious life.
Yeah.
a reality of something. Right,
Yeah.
conscious life.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Yep. Making
Yeah.
sense. Making total sense now.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Fuck yeah. What's even